Kaylin Reviews. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing Dirt Cake by Peachy Babies. This one smells like a mocha latte. It smells so good. Here are the charms. It comes with little sprinkles and these little gummy worms charms. And I'm going to squish my fingers in it first. And now I'm going to grab it out of the jar. There's two different textures on this slime. The darker one at the bottom is a cloud slime, and the top one, the lighter brown, is a butter slime. This one is really, really messy. All of the little beads went flying all over the counter, so I have to pick them up real quick. All in all, I give this one a 5 out of 10. Not because of how it smelled or anything, because it was so messy. I mean, just look at my hands. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.